With his job as Attorney General on the line, Ken Paxton's freedom's on the line too. Since 2015, he's been under indictment, accused of breaking laws he swore to uphold.
There is a concept that justice delayed is justice denied, and that's very much where we are.
We just keep winning.
Paxton has said he's innocent and blamed politics for his legal troubles. So how'd we get here? In 2014, Paxton acknowledged he'd failed to register with the state securities board. He called it a paperwork error. Paxton had been referring investors to a friend and campaign donor without telling the investors he was getting paid.
Ken Paxton had essentially admitted that he had violated State Securities Act and that he was getting a $1,000 fine slap on the wrist for something that is a third-degree felony.
Texans for Public Justice filed a complaint. That complaint led to the appointment of 2 special prosecutors in a Texas Rangers investigation. While investigating Paxton, the Texas Rangers uncovered new allegations. Those related to Servergy, a technology company based in Paxton's hometown of McKinney.
Together, we can change our world.
The now-defunct company promised investors its computer servers would revolutionize the computer world. While serving in the Texas House, Paxton cut a deal in 2011 with the company's CEO.
No comments.
He'd received company stock for recruiting investors. He's accused in 2 first-degree felony indictments of not telling investors he'd be paid with stock and that he wasn't investing his own money.
This alleges a fraud. I'm not sure that in and of itself is a fraud.
Dallas defense attorney George Milner is familiar with the case, but not connected to it.
You're going to have a specific legal duty to disclose, otherwise that theory of fraud will never hold water.
A third, less serious indictment accused Paxton of failing to register with the Securities Board. So why are the cases still pending 8 years later? Well, it's been a series of things. Lawsuits over legal fees paid to special prosecutors, efforts by Paxton's legal team to get the charges tossed, and since 2017, a fight over where Paxton should be tried. With the case being moved to Harris County, back to Collin, and then back to Harris.
If expediting resolution was a goal, they should never have removed it from Collin County. I think if it had remained there, we would have had a trial years ago.
We all love Ken Paxton around these parts, right? Yeah!
Dozens of people rallied in Collin County today in support of Ken Paxton.
In June, the Texas Court of Criminal Appeals settled the question. The case will stay in Harris County.
Legally speaking, they just opened up the freeway. I see no procedural obstacles to a trial at this point.
So as soon as Paxton finishes fighting for his job, the fight for his freedom likely won't be far behind. In Dallas, I'm Tanya Iser.